Hi all, it's Sheridan from A Taste of Ireland, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my stage hair. So a few essentials you're going to need is a mirror. Obviously you're going to need to see what you're doing, so I've got mine in front of me. I've got my bobby pins, my hairspray, a comb. We're going to be doing a lot of teasing today, so make sure you have one of these. Bigger the hair the better, they always say, or just a brush. And a curler. So my hair's naturally curly, but curling is always a bit of fun. The girls all curl their hair, so yeah, let's go. You're gonna part your hair in threes. We do basically 3 quiffs. One at the back, a big one to the side, and then another one on the other side just to finish it all up. Like a crazy woman. It will all come together. And then hairspray. Lots of hairspray. It's better to always make it bigger and then you can pin it down later on if it's too big, but it's never too big. Waiting for my hair curler to heat up. I just thought I'd mention a big change in hairstyles over touring last year. My first ever show, my hair was very sad looking. It wasn't too bad, not stage hair like it is now. I think it just kept getting bigger and bigger. So yeah, let's get curly. Another essential thing that you need when doing your hair and also makeup, and that is music. It's a long process. Yeah, lots of hairspray. Your hair's gonna go all over the place on stage, so yeah, very important. So that's my stage hair done. You can wear it anywhere, going to the shops, seeing your friends, catching up. I'm gonna go down, get a coffee with this, but yeah, maybe give it a go yourself. Makeup, shoes, costume, and then you're on the stage. Hope you're all staying safe and looking after each other, and we'll see you soon. Bye.